Hello everyone, today is an exciting day. I just saw that we have 500 subscribers in our YouTube channel. So first of all, thank you very much for all of you subscribers for staying in the channel. So this is a milestone for us. So today I'm going to make an announcement that we are going to have a new WhatsApp group. Now, why do we need one? Even if the information in the tutorial is good enough, sometimes depending on the kind of work that you're doing and the version of the software that you have, you might encounter some problems. And generally, I've noticed that most of the students use these kind of tutorials maybe just 1 day or 2 days before their deadline to submit their assignment. So in that time, it'll be difficult for them to troubleshoot and get some professional help. So the only choice that we have right now is just to send a comment in the comment section. Well, generally, I try to answer all the comments within 24 hours, but 24 hours is something that you may not have when you have to submit the assignment on the next day. So in this WhatsApp group, there will be students, teachers, and industry professionals. So I hope this is going to be a great place for information sharing and for learning. Now, how can you join the group? All you have to do is go to the description of this video and there you will find a link. Just click that link, which should be opening your WhatsApp, and you will be able to join the group by yourself. If you find difficulties in joining into the group, just send your mobile number in the comment section below. I will add you manually. If you don't want to share your mobile number publicly, you can also send me an email to anyonecananimate@gmail.com or andrew@reese3d.com. Now, Reese3D is our official website, so you can check that out also. So what are you waiting for? Join the group. Happy learning. So what are you waiting for? Join the group. Happy learning. So what are you waiting for? Join the group. Happy learning. So what are you waiting for? Join the group. Happy learning. So what are you waiting for? Join the group. Happy learning.